Hi, my name is Parrot Pete from First Maths. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract from 11 and 9. This will be a lot of fun. Are you ready? For your mental learning objective today, you can solve number puzzles. You can multiply by 10 and you can add 2-digit numbers to 100. Today we're going to start with a fun number problem. First of all, you need 4 children. Each of these children needs to write one single-digit number on the school's whiteboard. So pause the video till you do that. Welcome back. Now, you need to get into pairs and look at these numbers. You can use the digits as they are or multiply them by 10. You can add or subtract the numbers made, trying to get as close as to 100 as possible. Explain your adding and taking away methods to the rest of the class. So, in this mental warm-up, you can now solve number puzzles, you can multiply by 10, and you can add and subtract 2 different numbers to 100. Now we're going to look at the main part of this lesson. I can add and subtract 9 and 11 from any 2-digit number. I can start to add and subtract numbers near the multiples of 10. The key idea in this lesson is I know how to mentally add and subtract. This is a very important skill which will help you become brilliant mathematicians. Today we're going to work on adding and subtracting 9 and 11. We're going to start with some practice using numbers below 30. We will add 9 or 11 too. We will take away 9 and 11 from these 2-digit numbers. Okay, how would we solve 15 add 11? That's right. We would start at 15 as it is the larger number. Now we add on 10. What does that make? 15 plus 10 makes 25. Well done. What more do we need to add on? That's right, we need to add on another 1. So we go 15 plus 10 plus 1. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. The answer is 26. Let's try subtraction time this time round. 23, take away 9. What do we start with? Do we start with a 23 or a 9? We start with 23. How far back do we jump? Here's a very funny one for you. Instead of jumping back 9, which is hard to do, let's jump back 10. We jump back 10. So what 23 take away 10 equals 13. But you're going to shout, hey, we've jumped back too far. What are you doing? We landed on 13. How much do we need to jump forward so that we're only jumping back 9 places, not 10? That's right. we have to jump back up this thing one more place. So we can jump up 1, and that will make 14. We subtracted 1 too many to jump back 10 instead of 9. So we need to add 1 jump. So what do we finally land on? 23, take away 10 was 13, add 1 more was 14. See, there are some other ones you can try and work it out. I have 23, and I take away 11. So 23, take away 11, how would we do it? Pause the video and try to work it out. Then we'll do it together to check. 23, take away 11. 23, take away 10 is 13. So take away 11, it'll be 13, take away 1 more. That would make 12. How about this one? 23, add on 9. How would you solve that one? You can pause the video and then come back. Okay, welcome back. 23 plus 9, we would go 23 plus 10 is 33. Jump back 1. 33, take away 1, 32. Did you get 32? That is just so awesome. Well done. So, our main learning task is we are going to add and subtract multiple numbers to a multiple of 10, such as 29, 31, 39, and 41. The same method we have learnt can be used. When we add a multiple of 10, we just adjust up or down. So, you all know how to add and subtract 11 and 19. What about 19 and 21? Do you think you could use the same methods with numbers like these? Let's try. Adding 21 and 33. What do we start with? That's right. We start with the 33 because it is bigger. Then we can add 20 by jumping on 20. What do we get? We jump to 53. Now we need to jump 1 more. What do we land on? That's right, we jump to 54. We could also do this for adding 19. Let's add 19 to 43. What number do we start with? We start on 43 because it is bigger. 19 is almost 20. So let's see, we'll add on 20. Then we take off 1. So, what answer do you make for 19 plus 43? 19, so see 43 plus 20 is 63. Take away 1, 62. Let's try with another number, shall we? We shall try with 123. And we can add on 101. How would you do that? you could add on 100 and add on one more. It is all very simple. So, then we could try some other challenges. Why don't you try writing down some numbers such as 28 and 29, 31 and 32, 41 and 42, and adding and subtracting these from other numbers. The children could make up their own problems using 2-digit or 3-digit numbers, and then they can talk about the method they think they should use. So today the learning was I can add and subtract 9 and 11 from any 2-digit number. I can start to add and subtract numbers near to multiples of 10. So tell me, how did you tackle some of the problems you found? Can you share your methods with the rest of the class? Have any children used different methods to the rest of the class? Well done. If you liked this video, please press like. If you really liked this video and thought it was very useful, please can you click subscribe, and then you will always be told when another First Maths video with Peter Parrot is coming out. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Goodbye.